Okay, my name's Janet Farah. Yeah, about a year or so ago, the director of the gallery here, she got a phone call in the middle of the night, about 2 o'clock in the morning or something like that, I think. And she answered it, and there wasn't anybody there. So she then rang 1471 to get the number, and the number came up with the gallery number. So she just assumed that somebody in the gallery, perhaps the alarm had gone off, because alarms go off quite regularly and things, you know. So she rang back the number. It rang and rang, nobody answered it. She was a bit worried, she wondered whether to actually come, and she lives in Shrewsbury, it's a long way to come and things, but whether to come out. Anyway, she left it and things. And next day she asked around, you know, did the alarms go off last night? Did anybody come out to deal with alarms? Or did anybody ring me from the gallery? And we went, no, I didn't. Nobody rang them. And she was convinced, and we were saying, you know, are you sure that it was a gallery number? She said, yes, she was sure it was a gallery number. The administrator said, well, there's one way we can check. We can ring the alarm people. They'll have a log of anybody, you know, if somebody had come in the middle of the night and things, they would have to take the alarm off and put in their number. We can tell if anybody had come in. You know. So they did that, and nobody had been in that night. So yes, it'd been impossible for anybody to have rang her. I mean, she insisted that the number that came up was the gallery number. There was another time when I was here by myself. Everybody else had gone home, and the phone on the desk rang, and it was the tone was the internal line, not the outside line. And I thought, well, that's a bit strange. I thought maybe somebody has come back in and things. I answered the phone on the switchboard. It was showing it was the director's room phone that was ringing through to the desk. And I thought, oh, she's come back, you know, and she just rings through. I wondered why she would ring through, so I answered it. I said, hello. No answer. Put it down. I went into the director's room, but she wasn't there. There was nobody there. So her phone had rung the desk phone by itself. And then, yes, there was a time, much more sort of concrete sightings, like to say, of I was told by a lady who worked in the cafe in the gallery, Julie. She said that she was just going past the front desk and the shop area to go to the loo, and it was when the gallery was open. So there was people around and things, and she said she saw a little girl by the books and things. Didn't take too much notice, or just a little girl with her parents. Perhaps her parents had wandered off somewhere. Just turned around again to have a look at her, and she disappeared. And she couldn't have been too soon for her to just have walked off or anything. In fact, she did ask at the desk, did you see that little girl? No, what little girl? We didn't see any little girl.